welcome back to my channel. If you want more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Today we are going to be making homemade ice cream. Because if it's so hot in this summer and you want some ice cream, or it's at night and you can't go to the ice cream stores because they're all closed at night, you can make your own homemade ice cream in 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, gather all ingredients. In the description down below, there's all of the ingredients that you will need. So, the first step you'll need to do is take 1 cup of whipping cream or half and half and put vanilla extract, and that is half teaspoon. So just put it inside the half and half or heavy whipping cream. And now that you put that, put 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now stir. Oh, stir, 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 stir. Now that you've finished stirring it, you can just put this on a side, and you take a pint-sized Ziploc bag and put it in a bowl so it doesn't spill, and even if it does, it won't spill. It'll spill in there. So now that we've already made this, we are gonna put this stuff inside the pint-sized Ziploc bag. So, got this. Seal it perfectly. You don't want anything else because salt is going to be coming up and you don't want salt inside your ice cream. So just zip it up. And now that you've had it tightly zipped up, take a gallon-sized Ziploc bag and put 5 cups of ice in there. Now, once you've put 5 cups inside the gallon-sized Ziploc bag, take 1 cup of kosher salt or any type of salt that you want and put it inside the gallon-sized Ziploc bag. Put your ice cream inside this. So, and I'm just gonna put it underneath so it would just get like ice cream because it's named ice cream. So now you want to have almost all of the air out and have it sealed very nicely. Now that I've got everything here, I am gonna take a towel and wrap it around. So all you do is you just put the Ziploc bag in there and just wrap it around. So now once it's wrapped like a baby, you have to shake it for 5 minutes. I am 5 years old. Just kidding, I'm 8. Okay, so let's shake it. Shake it. Shake it, shake it. Shake. Oh, I forgot you were there looking at me. Okay, so now that all of this has been shaken, we are gonna take out our ice cream because it has been shaken for 5 minutes. We are gonna take out our ice cream, and if you like the texture and how you like it, then you can eat it, and you can add toppings if you want. So, but first, wipe dry, and you don't want your hands too wet. Now that I've opened this, you can scoop it out. Scoop it out. Not a very good scooper. And now that I've scooped this, I will add some toppings. And first I will add some candy on there. And there's a little bit of chocolate chips inside. Now that I put that, I will try the ice cream. It's gonna taste so good. Ooh. So, let's try. That is so good. You have to try this. It is so good. Now, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.